Police in Alliance, Ohio caught a man walking out of a Walmart with a shopping cart full of merchandise that he was attempting to steal.
Mm-hmm.
All right? And when he realized the cops saw him, he jumped into a garbage can to hide.
That makes sense, yeah.
All right.
Okay. There's no way that this turns out badly.
Well, we'll find out. We have a video explaining what happens to James Brinzo.
A narrow escape for a robbery suspect critically hurt in a garbage truck, of all places. Police in Alliance yesterday chased a suspect who hid in a dumpster. The dumpster was then emptied into the garbage truck. James Michael Brinzo was injured as the truck compacted the garbage, but managed to use his cell phone to call police for help.
He's in the trash truck. He said it compacted him once and is getting ready to again.
So he was actually compacted. They had a little trouble getting him out of the compressed trash.
Disaster.
What are you alive, dude? Hey, this kid, get out of you.
He was in a lot of pain. He had been compacted several times. He was just begging us to empty the truck.
The suspect is hospitalized in critical condition.
That's amazing.
Okay. Look, of course, he had to get away from the authorities. It was drastic times. What does that require?
Drastic times require what?
What?
Drastic measures, yes! Who said that? Thank you! Drastic times require drastic measures!
So, unfortunately, what it also apparently requires is compacting the garbage. God, he must have been so scared. Can you imagine?
Yeah, and he wasn't compacted once. As you listen to that report, he was compacted several times.
Oh.
And every single time you're like, I'm gonna die.
You're like, oh, sick, Dad. But he got his cell phone out, and he was like, hurry up, tell the cops, I robbed the wrong place, I'm in the wrong dumpster. Help a brother out. Some would say, he got his comeuppance, but I feel a little bad for the guy. I mean, it was funny to see him fall out of the garbage truck and stuff. But, and then when he's up in this, I know.
It is a shame! A shame!
I know, you're right, it is. But when I saw him with the neck brace and stuff, it was like he's got all the tattoos, like, this was a bad idea, man.
That picture didn't make me laugh as much as a picture of him when they had just dumped out the garbage and he's like laying there in a pile of garbage.
And he's like, oh, sick.
We're the worst. We really shouldn't be making fun of him.
No, absolutely not. Did the garbage guys hear anything? He must have been like, this must have been him in the back.
No!
And then here's the garbage truck drivers.
Who said that?
He's all right. So everybody calm down. And after he's out of the hospital, he'll be going to jail. Sad day for him.